Savage cat back at it again.
Oh. No.
Yeah.
No, Charlie, no.
Oh,
He can choke on it.
No, he wants to kill it.
No.
Oh, Savage cat.
He's killing it.
No. Charlie killed it. Oh, no, it's stuck on his nail, Ava. You can't do that.
Yeah, stupid fat
hurt the
girl. Look at
cat.
that fat girl.
Oh.
Kill him, Charlie. Kill him, Charlie. Get it, Charlie. Go on, Charlie.
Hunting instincts.
That dude's gonna bite you. He's killing you again.
Oh, come on. It's stuck in his nail. Fudge me.
His nail came off.
No, it didn't.
Look. I know.
Is that his nail?
What?
Give me that. Is that actually his nail?
No, it sheds sometimes. It was on the thing the other day too. There were a couple nails.
Oh, those hurt, right?
That's actually his real nail, I think.
Give me it.
It's his real nail.
Give me it.
God, why?
Where'd it go now?
Blind girl.
Whoa. Hold on.
He shed his nail, guys. He's.
Shed, or is it actually his nail?
I think it might be.
Okay, no, it's a shed. No, it's a shed. He's so cute. I want him. No. Oh, shoot.
My God, Savage cat.
Grumpy cat.
Go for that, Charlie.
No, not like what he has been. Now, when he
Oh
does
God.
he runs.
Hopefully he
Sometimes
pounces.
He runs sometimes when he does that.
Oh, Charlie!
He's gonna run again.
Play with the game.
Oh God.
Okay.
He ran after me.
Yeah, he was just like,
Ah!
he's gonna play.
Hi, Charlie.
Swally bit my finger.
That really.
Oh my God.
hurt.
Oh my God.
Busted.
Guys, look, he's getting ready for another bounce attack. Oh my God! Pounced on him.
Wait, hold on. He's gonna rev up. He's gonna rev.
Oh my God, Jim!
Shakes his butt before he It knows you're recording him.
Ding. Guys, he's getting ready, guys.
Oh shoot, hold on.
He's
Charlie, wait for the camera.
He's twerking. I have a recording.
I want my camera to open.